Welcome back, victims of late-stage capitalism. Today we're discussing the most successful product of 2026, financial nihilism. Pause, it's like the regular American dream, but without the house, the car, the health insurance, or the general sense of hope. It's the art of spending your rent money on a luxury candle because, let's be honest, the candle will actually be there tomorrow. The house? That's just a myth our parents told us, like Santa Claus or affordable healthcare. Why now? Well, while oil prices hit $100 a barrel because the Middle East is basically playing a live-action game of Risk, you're being told to diversify your portfolio. My brother in Christ, my portfolio is a collection of receipts and a vague hope for a glitch in the simulation. They want us to save for a retirement that looks increasingly like an underwater NFT colony. It's not a recession, it's a subscription service to poverty that we simply can't cancel. And the terms of service? They change every time a billionaire tweets. Experts call it a recession risk. I call it Tuesday. Look at this camper. She's us. The bear is the economy. She's trying to outrun a predator while carrying a backpack full of debt. It's hilarious, really. If you're going to be eaten, you might as well stop running and enjoy the view. We've reached the point where gambling on crypto feels safer than a 401k because, at least with crypto, the disappointment is immediate and honest. The only real biohack left is realizing your company sees you as a cost center, not a human. So, stop optimizing your mitochondria to work faster. It's like putting premium gas in a car that's driving off a cliff. It's efficient, but ultimately pointless. It's called industrial ghosting. We're not quitting, we're just becoming socially unavailable to exploitation. If the world is ending, why spend your last healthy years in a fluorescent-lit cubicle discussing deliverables for a CEO who doesn't know your last name? So, go ahead. Buy the concert tickets. Eat dinner at 5 p.m. with the retirees. In 2026, the real flex isn't a Rolex. It's an 8-hour sleep cycle and the audacity to not care about your LinkedIn presence. We've traded climbing the ladder for sitting on the grass because the ladder was made of wet cardboard anyway. The economy is a simulation, a multiplayer game where the developers forgot to balance the currency. And the obvious captain just found the exit. It's not about being rich, it's about refusing to play a game you can't win. It's remarkably peaceful once you stop trying to hustle your way out of a global crisis. If you enjoyed this manual on how to fail successfully, hit subscribe. Or don't. It probably won't stop the inflation, but it makes me feel slightly less alone in this fever dream. Captain out.